Hello everyone, welcome to today's life lesson video class. In this video, we are going to explore the famous proverb God helps those who help themselves through a short story contrasting a lazy man with a hardworking woman. இந்த வீடியோவை கடைசி வரை பாருங்கள். You will learn some useful tips for success and an important lesson for life. Ready? Let us begin. Now meet John. He sets an alarm and the alarm rings in the morning. But John keeps sleeping and ignores the alarm. He is very lazy and simply hopes for the best. He slowly gets ready and reaches the bus stop. Alas, he misses the bus. Laziness can lead to missed opportunities. Now meet Sarah. She works hard and values her time. She makes the most of every minute and finishes her work on time. When she sees the bus leaving, she doesn't give up. She helps herself by running hard and manages to catch the bus. Her determination helps her succeed. Hard work pays off. I hope you now understand the proverb. As we saw in the story, laziness can lead to missed opportunities. God may provide us with opportunities, but we must do our part and work hard to succeed. Moral of the story: hard work brings success. Always do your best. And remember the proverb: God helps those who help themselves. Thank you for watching. இந்த மாதிரி சக்சஸ் டிப்ஸ் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கணுமா, லைஃப் லெசன்ஸ் படிக்கணுமா, என்னோட வீடியோவை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. ஈஸி இங்கிலீஷ் வித் வள்ளி. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.